stuck.
Come on, Arista, let's go.
Okay, wait. It hurts.
You stuck? Maybe a little less chocolate? What are you doing? You said you're coming down without my help. Now prove it. Maybe you changed your mind, you need my help? Let's see. Is she still there?
My butt hurts. Ow!
Oh, sorry, what do you say?
My butt.
What's with it?
Oh. Okay, that's enough.